Hi, this is Walker with Sell House Columbus, and I'm here with Melissa. We just finished purchasing her home and just had a couple questions for you. First question is, how did you hear about Sell House Columbus?
Well, I actually received a postcard in the mail at my father's residence, and we were over cleaning his house out. And at the time, of course, he was still alive. But I thought, I think I should keep that and call them. Wonder if they're a good company or not. So, and I'm so happy I did. Yeah, and so I called.
Okay, perfect.
When he
And
passed away.
how's your experience working? How's your experience been working with us?
Absolutely great. 100% recommend. You guys have been not only patient, more so than me, very easy to work with, always answers my questions very quickly on it. Don't, if I text or email, I always get a response right away within an hour, usually, or I don't think it's ever been longer than a few minutes or an hour that I've heard a response, and just been a great experience.
Okay, perfect. And if you had to refer us to someone else, what would you say to them about working with us?
I would say that if you're in the situation that I was in, where you really want to sell the house fast, you don't want any complications, you just want an honest opinion on what it's going to bring, and have that, checked out the way I did, that to go with your company, because it's just been a great experience, and they take care of a lot of the stuff that I don't want to deal with.
Perfect. Well, we definitely enjoyed working with you, and I'm glad that we were able to get this done.
Me too.
Thank you.